U.S. COVID cases have hit their highest level of the pandemic so far. News Channel 12 Star Connor went to the Greenville testing site today. She joins us now live. And Star, Vidant leaders say they're seeing an increase in weekly COVID cases.
Val, that's right. Vidant officials say that since November 28th, they've seen an 191% average increase with COVID cases and in our region. Now, on December 28th, the Vidant Health said that they tested 2,619 tests, and 706 of those tests came back positive, making the percentage 27% at that time. But as of today, the spike has continued to rise at the Greenville location testing site.
Yesterday, our positivity rate was 34.7%. So 34.7% of the folks that came through here yesterday were positive. That's more than 1 in every 3.
And with New Year's celebrations, officials at Vidant Health say that number will continue to rise.
I mean, I don't see them stop traveling, so I anticipate to see what you see here today.
Infectious disease specialists at Vidant Health are recommending families think twice about their plans ringing in 2022.
If you're having a low-key thing where you can distance outside and it's, and you can put your, if you can, go outside and put your, fleece on or whatever and something, that's a little safer on the spectrum. So it really depends on what you're doing. I just tell people one of the things that's the hallmark of this COVID is just common sense, so again, if you're having a big party inside, that's probably not a great idea.
At 7 a.m. Thursday morning, Harlow says there were around 400 cars lined up for testing. By closing time, he predicts that there will be a total of 1,200 cars with people being tested.
While people here may be positive, and that positivity rate is very high, so most all of them are asymptomatic, so they don't know that they have it. The people that are really sick are the ones that we use the fast rapid tests for.
Officials add that with the surge, they are afraid that staff working the testing sites could lead to a shortage.
The challenge is collecting those samples and getting them back to the lab, but healthcare is stretched just like everybody else, manpower-wise. So, we are just like every other organization in Eastern North Carolina. We're as susceptible to COVID as everybody else. So you've got folks out for holidays, COVID infections, just general staff being stretched.
Now, due to the increase of the spread of the Omicron variant, Vidant Health has also updated their visitor guidelines. The change went into effect today, requiring all visitors to wear a hospital-issued mask. Now, cloth masks will no longer be permitted. Vidant Health has also created a check-in screening. You can log on to our website, WCTI12.com, for that information. I'm Star Connor in Pitt County. Back to you inside of the studio.